guys, welcome back to Hely Handmade. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make these beautiful bats and the ghouls and ghosts as well that are behind me. So they are all origami, and I did find how to make these off of Pinterest blogs, which I'll try and link down below. I spent a long time looking for the easiest ones because origami is not my particular favourite craft. My god, I look so wiped out in here. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how I made those. They're quite simple to do. At the moment, as you can see, I've decorated my bedroom wall. I'm planning to decorate the rest of the house, whether Luke knows or not, but it's all going to be decorated. So I've got a lot more to make, but I'm going to show you how to make one at the moment. Alright, let's get in the video. Right, so first thing we do is we take a square. As long as the sides are all equal, it doesn't really matter what size it is. But what I'm going to start off with, because I forgot to tell you, is we're going to start off with the bat. Hello Demi, just walking through frame. People do not want to see the butt. So anyway, yeah, so we've got our square. So first thing we're going to do for the bat is we're going to fold it in half, so it's into a triangle, and just squish that side down. So then we're left like that. And then next bit is all we do is fold it over, so we've got it, you can see, just like that. And then we take in this side, so we take in these are what the wings will be, so you take this side in and pull it into that centre part of the triangle at the bottom and flatten that. And as that comes back up, you take just a little bit on this side and then fold it again, leaving roughly about ½ centimetre or more, depending on how big the bat is, or less depending on how small it is. So it should come out, if you can see that, so it'll bend just like that. And then you do the same on the other side. So that is what the beginning of our bat looks like. And there's just one last step to do, and that's just to cut in to leave the little ears. So where did I put my scissors? Oh, over here, and I've also spilt all my drink behind me. Yay! Just what we wanted. You just take your scissors and you cut a corner from, just to create a little sort of ear shot. There you go. So you literally just cut from that corner and that corner in and across, and that gives you your little bat. So that's that one. The next one is the same. The ghost and the ghoul is exactly the same thing. It's just that I've done the ghouls in black and the ghosts in white. Demi has no idea what she's doing. Do you mind? So this is what hold on, that way. This is what our little ghoul will look like when it's finished. So this time it's going to go, so it's a bit like a diamond, and you're going to pull this side to the middle. And then the exact same on this side. And then from there, we pull these ones out. So then it's central. Don't think you can see very well on these ones. Right. So if you can see, as I said, you put them so they both go in the middle, so it looks like a kite. And then you pull these two out so they go onto these sides. But anyway, you should be left with two little flaps here, and they come out. So our next job is we turn it over and we bring these in. So we fold them back over themselves. And then we bring that, so then they come in So I don't know if you can see, but yeah, just these here, they're flat them, so they go over the back. So now we're just working on the back of it. So bring this also to the centre. I will show you these in a minute. So we're looking like a kite again, and that's the back, so these come together, and then you'll see from the front it's like a little pocket, little tuxedo. But we go back to the back and we fold that down, so just above where these two crosses here, like a little, where the little collar is, I'll say, the back of the collar. And we fold that down. And then as we come up, we fold it, you give it sort of another ½ centimetre gap again, and then refold on your way back up. Apologies if you can hear my cats in the microphone, they won't let me near the microphone because they're hissing at each other and growling. So it will come back and it will look, you'll have a little fold here, see? So obviously you folded it back there, and then you folded it again just there. So you've got your two folds. And then the last part, oh actually not the last part, sorry, a little bit further up, around about a centimetre to centimetre and a half at the top, you fold that down, gives you your little head, and then turn it back to the front, and at this bottom bit here, we fold across. And that is our little ghost. It just needs a little face, but that is a little ghost anyway. I hope this can be seen on camera. I will try and take the lighting down a little bit just to hopefully make you be able to see, but I'll just make it in the ghoul as well. Oh, and this one's got a little bit of a shorter head. I'm not quite sure. I think it was a smaller piece of card that I was using. That's the word. So yeah, that's how we make our ghouls and ghosts and our bat. What I usually do with these, obviously I put faces on. I put black ink on the ghost and I put red ink onto the ghoul, just to make it look a little bit more creepy. I usually use an acrylic paint. I've got a red acrylic paint pen, so I use that for my ghoul anyway. I just need to find it. So that is how we make our little bats and ghouls. My goodness, I look like I'm turning into a beetroot because I am. But I hope you've enjoyed this little video, and make sure you subscribe, like and leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video because I need to get out of these wet clothes. Yeah, I just spilt hot chocolate all over me. My fault, my fault.